Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about pre-flight safety checklist for survey missions. Before any drone survey mission begins, professional drone operators always perform a pre-flight safety checklist. This checklist helps ensure that the drone equipment, environment, and mission plan are all ready for safe operation. Skipping these checks can lead to equipment failure, poor data quality, or even accidents. A few minutes spent on preparation can prevent serious problems during the flight. Let's go through the key steps of a typical drone survey pre flight checklist. Check the drone equipment. Start by inspecting the drone itself. Look for any physical damage, loose components, or worn parts. Check the propellers carefully, since damaged or cracked propellers can cause unstable flight. Also make sure the camera and sensors are clean. Dust or dirt on the lens can reduce image quality and affect the accuracy of your mapping results. Verify battery status. Battery management is extremely important in drone surveying. Before takeoff, confirm that the drone battery, controller battery, and any additional equipment batteries are fully charged. If the survey area is large, make sure you have spare batteries available. Always plan your mission so that the drone can safely return with sufficient battery power remaining. Check GPS and satellite connection. Modern drones rely on GPS positioning for stable flight and accurate data collection. Before launching, wait until the drone establishes a strong connection with multiple satellites. A stable GPS signal helps ensure accurate positioning and reliable navigation during automated flight missions. Confirm flight plan and mission settings. If you are using automated mapping software, review the flight plan settings before starting the mission. Check important parameters such as flight altitude, image overlap settings, survey area boundaries, camera settings. Confirm that the flight path covers the entire survey area without leaving gaps in the data. Assess weather conditions. Weather plays a major role in drone operations. Check the wind speed, visibility, and cloud conditions before flying. Strong winds can affect drone stability and reduce image quality. Rain or fog can also interfere with sensors and navigation systems. Professional drone surveyors always avoid flying in unsafe weather conditions. Inspect the survey area. Take a moment to observe the surrounding environment. Look for obstacles such as buildings, trees, power lines, and communication towers. Identify potential hazards and plan safe takeoff and landing locations. It is also important to ensure that the area is clear of people or vehicles that could be affected by the flight. Calibrate sensors if necessary. Some drones may require compass calibration or sensor checks before flying, especially if you are operating in a new location. Following proper calibration procedures helps maintain accurate navigation and stable flight performance. Final check before takeoff. Once everything has been reviewed, perform a final check to confirm that the drone is stable, the controller connection is strong, the mission plan is correct, the takeoff area is safe. A consistent pre flight checklist routine helps ensure safe, efficient, and professional drone survey operations. In the next section of the course, we will move into one of the most important parts of drone surveying, planning a drone survey project step by step, which ensures that your mission captures accurate and complete data.